There is one concept you should always keep in mind with an interaction system. Interactors are actors, interactables are objects. Because of this, I recommend keeping your interactor logic in an actor component, which can be used on any actor, though the interactable needs to have a base object in its hierarchy. During the interactor component stick, you want to trace for interactables. I recommend a multi-sphere trace for objects to ignore static level components, and you should group all interactables as direct references in an array. Then, you can subtract the camera's location from the interact location, normalize the outcome, and get the dot product of that and the forward vector of the camera. With that logic, you want to loop through all the interactables and assign a dot product to an array for each. Then, get the largest dot product, or the closest object to the camera, and check to make sure it's within the specified minimum. The smaller this number, the wider the view angle for selecting interactables. Finally, set a variable to keep track of which interactable has intention from the player. Setting up a function to call its interact is also helpful to easily incorporate interaction onto the parent actor of the component. When you set up your base interactable class, make sure to also set up an interface for easy integration. It's also nice to use getter functions where possible.